Most people get this wrong when reviewing the Albert app. They focus only on the cash advance feature and completely ignore the tools that could have a bigger impact on their finances. Here's the truth no one tells you. Whether Albert is worth it depends entirely on how you plan to use it. In this video, I'll give you an honest Albert app review for 2026. We'll look at its main features, potential benefits, drawbacks, and who should consider using it. By the end, you'll know whether it's actually worth your time and money. Let's jump right in. Albert is a financial app designed to help users manage money, track spending, save automatically, and access cash advances when eligible. The goal is to provide multiple money management tools in one place. For example, imagine Jake gets paid every 2 weeks. He uses Albert to monitor spending habits, track account activity, and potentially access short-term cash flow assistance when unexpected expenses appear before payday. That sounds useful, but here's the problem. Many users download the app expecting it to solve every financial challenge instantly. No budgeting app can replace responsible spending habits and long-term financial planning. One of Albert's biggest strengths is convenience. Instead of using multiple apps for budgeting, saving, and account tracking, users can access several financial tools through one platform. This simplicity is often appealing to beginners who want an easier way to manage money. Now here's where it gets interesting. The value of Albert often depends on how frequently you use its features. If you're only downloading it for one specific tool and never use the rest, the overall value may be lower than expected. Another benefit is visibility. Seeing your transactions, spending patterns, and account activity in one place can help identify areas where money is being lost unnecessarily. Small insights can sometimes lead to meaningful savings over time. This is where most people fail. They install the app, check it for a few days, and then stop using it. Financial tools only help when they're used consistently. In a minute, I'll give you the final verdict. Before signing up, review the app's current features, pricing structure, eligibility requirements, and account terms. Financial apps can change over time, so it's always smart to understand exactly what you're getting. So, is Albert worth it in 2026? For users looking for budgeting tools, spending insights, account tracking, and financial management features in one place, Albert may provide value. However, if you're expecting a quick financial fix without changing your money habits, you may be disappointed. The bottom line is simple. Albert works best as a tool, not a solution. If you found this honest review helpful, like the video, subscribe for more app reviews and financial guides, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with Albert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.